Hi friends, welcome. Previously, we have seen how to create a pie chart by using PHP GD library. So this pie chart we have displayed it in a browser. So that we have already, the video is there, the link is in the description and it is here also, you can see that. So this, using the same code, will take this code inside a function and integrate it with a PDF file. So we can generate a PDF file by taking this chart data or this chart image integrated in the page. Now imagine this time this PDF file is with the pie chart is generated by taking a static data, means the image is generated with a fixed data. This data we can take it from a database, from an Excel file, from CSV, from anywhere, any other sources, and dynamically generate this PDF file. We'll learn all about these scripts. So before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's learn the script. We used this particular code, so create the pie chart using GD library, and you'll get that video description also. Let's see the output. This is the output, we got it. So by running this particular code, now this code will take it as a function and use that for our PDF generation. This GD library code, we kept it inside this particular function. So now this function will call it and integrate it with our PDF file. So what we are doing here is I am just require, now what I am saying, FPDF. This library I am already downloaded and using it. So this you have to do that, and all our PDF tutorials require this library. So that we have already explained it. So here is my PDF file. I am linking it here. Now I will create the PDF and then call the file. So for that, variable chart file, I am just creating one image here to store the image, pie chart.png. So fine, this is the file name I am giving actually. Now create pie chart. Now here I am giving chart file. So just create pie chart is the function where at the top you can see here I have defined it, create pie chart, and passing the file name. So this creates the chart for me, the pie image for me, and that image I will be using it. So let me just complete this. Now I will create my document. So create PDF. Now okay, and there I will insert it. So when you download the entire source code, you will get all the comments. So I am just writing it. Now I am saying PDF equal to, I am creating a new class here. Fine. Now I am just adding a page. So I will say PDF. Now here it is, add page. Now at the top I want to give a header. So you can add anything. I have PDF. So for that, set font. Now I am setting a bigger font here, Arial. Now it is here, it is bold, then 16. Location all I am setting it here, font size and all. Now once that is it is ready, now I will place a cell. I will place this in a cell. So PDF cell, location again. You can watch all our previous videos on this particular. The text I am writing it is here, pie chart example in FPDF. Whatever text you want to, you can write it. So all the boundaries, then filling everything, I am filling it here. One, then alignment is again center. Now let me close this. Now I'll come here. Now what I am going to do here is I will call the image. Now I'll place this image is nothing but our pie chart. So PDF image, here is my chart file. So I am saying chart file. Now where it will be 50.40 100. So you can see this particular image, this dimension, where it will be, everything I am given. Now let's go give the output. PDF. So I am sending it to by default to the browser, not saving it. So other options you can explore it. Now then after that I will unlink it. Fine, that's all. So if everything is fine friends, let's just go to our site here. No, sorry, let me just come here. This is the GD image, whatever the output is. Now let's just come here. You can see the entire code is here. You can copy this, and GD the how the that particular pie chart is generated, is the link is here. Now here is the demo. Demo of it. Now directly I am opening in a browser how this pie chart. Here it is. So this is the text part of it, whatever written, and this image is pie chart is generated with the help of GD, what the function we have used, and then it is integrated inside the PDF file as an image. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any doubt, idea, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.